Hello everyone, welcome back to BPMTV tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how to use AI function in MS Excel Google Sheet. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Don't miss to check out our playlist guys. You will find 350 plus videos. Those will help you in cracking the interviews on trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, Six Sigma certification, people management, project management, SME roles and responsibilities, Scrum Master, MS Excel report, dashboard. Many more videos are there, guys. So don't miss out, guys. Check out our entire playlist and subscribe our channel. Let's start today's video. In this video, we will understand how we can use the AI function. So here we have one paragraph. You can see here. This is a complete paragraph on something that I mentioned about the call center, and I want to generate a summary of about it, how I can do. So you have to use the function that is known as equal to EI. If you use this function, in this function you have to mention your question. What is the question? So you required need 5 points summary. If you mention this, then comma, select the text and bracket close, enter. It will ask something here, generate and insert. Click here. Once you click here, it will generate. Yes, here we can see here we got five point summary about this particular paragraph. Okay, now let me change my question. So I will mention here, what is call center, enter. If I do this, generate, insert, so I'll get a definition about the call center here. Okay, so we can see here we got a definition about the call center. Okay, so in this way you can use this function. There is one more use of this function. Let's consider we do not have anything here in the paragraph. Okay, and if I use directly AI, and if I ask any question here, example like um uh what what who is the father of India? Okay, let me ask this question, bracket close, enter, and he will generate the answer. Okay, let him generate. So Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, so Mahatma Gandhi, we got the answer, right? So in this way you get all the answers if you use this EI function. Okay, let me ask something else here, example current gold rate, enter, and generate and insert. If I click here, we'll get the current gold rate also. Yes, the spot gold rate is $4 point April 17, 2000. So in this way we will get all the information with the help of AI function. So use this function guys. You can use this and you can get multiple information whatever you require. This function is very interesting guys. Use it and let me know in a feedback session also if you have learned something new today. And also check out our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn page. You will find multiple information on all the upcoming vacancies. Don't miss to subscribe our channel. Have a great day.